Yo, what's good, Jack INT family? What's going on, Gerard?
Hey.
So we're back. This Supra literally went fast. Like within less than a week, I should say, it got painted. It got a fully built Jag INT 3.0 liter spec, 1500 horsepower motor, precision turbo, hypertune intake, PHR manifold. Shout out to PHR. I got their merch on right now.
Yo. Whoa. Bad words.
Yeah, a little bit of bad words. It's all good. It's all good.
Well, this is gonna be a bad mamma jamma indeed.
Yes. So this one, she's already kind of fully put together, ready to go for the fabrication by Raw. That's my uncle. Shout out to him. He does some of the sickest fabrication. And after that, it's going by the wiring goddess, Island Boys Wiring, to get the full wire harness done. And maybe within, a week and a week and a half or so, again, we should be able to get it started and hopefully to the dyno. So we're gonna let Gerard keep you guys updated with all these little videos and little kind of semi clips we're doing with these builds. And yeah, guys, so just stay tuned. He'll give you a little walk around right now. The car is kind of a mess, but
oh yeah, this one got a T56, right?
yeah, this is getting a T56, so we had to swap the tunnel.
T56
You can kind of see it in the little red in there.
Yep, T56 coming along. We got to get them pedals popping,
Yep, the pedals
clean
are
back out
nice.
the interior. So when we do that, we get an opportunity to sort out the carpets, clean it out. See, it's a little dirty right now.
That's the Japanese grind.
Yeah, but we'll get all that out, have that thing spick and span. And yeah, still got that fuel cap off for the paint match. And we're gonna actually touch up on the skirts and stuff.
Yeah, the skirts, the rear, and I think the wing. The wing is, they fade a lot, guys. So
Yeah, the plastic parts fade, so we
Yeah,
got to
yeah,
get those done up. But yeah, that's what we got.
HPS brand new tip.
Let's see what we got here. Huh, this
Brand
video
new
is
man,
super
blue
dark.
turbo.
We're gonna have to brighten this
So we have
back.
pull them side skirts out. Like the crack, so we can give it adjacent body or you take all the 10 bolts on the bottom.
Yeah.
So we could give it the, well, we'll do that later. Let's not go in anywhere.
All right.
That's the boss man right there. Yeah, buddy.
Help me clean up there and clean up the office, everything. I'll have to cut something.
All right, y'all. We out.
Peace.